Let's run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G Shock GA-100BW. First things first, we're going to want to make sure our hands are zeroed. That way when we set our digital time, our hands will display the correct time. To do this, we're going to press and hold our forward button. We'll hear a beep and we'll see sub start flashing. That's this small sub dial here. In order for this to be zeroed, we want it to be pointing directly up at the 50. So we can only click forward one at a time. And we'll make sure that's pointing to 50. Next, we're going to press mode and we'll see 000. So we want our hands to be pointing at directly 12 o'clock. We can adjust this with the forward and reverse buttons. Once that's all properly aligned, we'll simply press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will display the correct time as well. Now on to setting the digital portion of our watch. We're going to simply press and hold our adjust button. And we'll hear it beep. Our first option is going to allow us to change our city's code. We can press mode to enter our next setting, which is daylight savings time off or on. Mode for our next setting, which is to cycle between 12 and 24-hour timekeeping. Mode for our next setting, which is to adjust our seconds. We can zero this with our forward button. Mode for our next setting, which is to adjust the hour. It's currently 6 p.m. where I live. Mode for our next setting, which will adjust our minutes, 6:02, so we can go reverse back to 2. Mode will then take us to our year, 2025. Mode will then take us to our month. Mode again will take us to our day. Mode once more is our LT setting, which is our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. And once we're done with all that, we can simply press adjust once more. And our analog display will set itself to the correct time. Thank you all so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. And if you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.